Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So on today's video, I'm going to be showing us how to use our signals, the signals on our free signal group. How to use the signals on our free signal group. Okay, so I'll go straight to our WhatsApp community. So on our WhatsApp community, you'll be seeing different signals like this that comes with the chat, and you'll be seeing other signals like this. Okay, you can also see other signals like this. So I'm going to be explaining to us how to use these signals. Okay, last week Tuesday we posted a signal on SOL market price to actually buy on market price. Please check our video on how to place a trade on CoinEx if you just trade on CoinEx. So we explained what market price is, what leverage, what limit order is. Okay, so but let's look for a pair that has a limit order. So this is Zen against USDT 20 long 20x targets. That's entry target is 29.262, profit target 1, 2, 3 to 4. Okay, so we'll go back to CoinEx and see if Zen is actually listed on CoinEx. So from what we can see here, we would click this place to actually change the current pair, to look for the current pair we want to trade. So click on Zen to know if we have Zen here. Okay, so we have Zen here. So click on Zen. And we'll click on Zen. Okay, it's actually a buy position. So this is buy. Okay, and the signal comes with a percentage leverage, 20x leverage. Remember, you always use isolated. Confirm. Okay, but to minimize your risks, it will be better you use 10x. Okay, between 10 to 20x is fine. Okay, so we'll go back. It asks we have an entry price. Entry price is 29.262. Okay, so you can see that the current price is already below the position because we want to long. Okay, the reason is because market has been dropping. So this signal was dropped since on Monday, so it's actually an old signal. Okay, but let's still go ahead for an example. So we are using limit 29. So click on limit order. That's 29.262 buy. Okay, amount of Zen. Now this has to do with your available balance, like I said earlier in our previous video. You can select 25, you can select 50%. Let's go with 25%. Okay, remember I said 25%. You can come here to see you are placing this trade with $5. Okay, so we can go ahead to click on long. Okay, but I'm not going to click on long because it's actually an old signal. Okay, so it's no longer valid because the entry has actually passed. Okay, so this is actually how to place a trade on CoinEx using our signal. For the same thing with sell, you can still use the same approach. Okay, I did not put something. Let's say we are still going ahead with our buy 25%. We need to include our stop loss and take profit. Okay, stop loss and take profit. We have profit 1, 2, 3 to 4. I will ask you to choose between 2 and 3. Okay, it's more ideal. We have stop loss of 6.5%. 6.5% of your trading capital. So let's come back here, profit and loss. So let's say we go with TP3, that's 30.4. TP3 30.4. Stop loss, we said stop loss should be 20. Would actually indicate this, not market price. Okay, marked price. So stop loss, let's say we leave it at 29, confirm. Okay, so we have take profit, stop loss, and this is all you need to actually place a trade on Coinex. So once you initiate this trade, you're going to see it under position. Okay, you're going to see it under position. You can see the current trade we are on is at 5% profit. Okay, so that's how to place a trade using our signal. I'm going to also include the other types of signal. This is actually market price, so it's telling you to long at the current market price. So you're going to use market order. So this is actually 10x. Okay, let's go to Solana USDT. So remember, you still come back here to look for Solana. So even though that signal is already old, but we will just show us how to go about it. So it's telling you to long at market price. So you click on this limit order, click on the limit to see market, you click on market. So it's telling you we are longing at the available price, and it actually gave us stop loss and profit. So 223 and 211. So we come here for our stop loss and take profit. 223 and what, 211. Okay, confirm. So that's all. Once you initiate this trade, you have to put the percentage with which you want to use to enter that position. Once you enter that trade, it's going to initiate automatically because you are using a market order.